Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Everyday Copportunity channel for Premier Train entry number 24, Mail Call. First off, let me say thank you to Will's Treasure, Silver Bull 30, Mad Stacker, Gold Sniping Farmer, Pistol Packing Pilot, Ringmaster Ray, and Mrs. Coin Crew inviting me back for another 3-week run. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're glad to be here with y'all today. So, without further ado, let's get into some mail. My first mail is going to be from Southern Coin. Alright, so I do believe these are some foreign coins. He's got them sealed up in here pretty well. Alright, here we go. So first off, we got our Southern Coin sticker, which is really cool. Let's go ahead and leave that right up there. And let's see what these are. These are 5 mark, Deutschmarks at that. These are really neat. The bird on the back of them. Let's see. Does this have a year? 1965. 10 years before I was born. We got 1970. 1972. We're getting warmer. Let's see, what is this? This is a 1929. Yep, it's a 5 Dutch marks, but it's just different. Got a 1951. We got 1967. Oh wow, that one looks different. What is this? This is 1974. It is still 5 Dutch marks, but I think that's the coolest looking bird out of all of them so far. Actually a body to it and not just a skeleton. We got a 1972. It's our last piece from Southern Coin. These are things that we will be using to give away on the channel. Y'all know I'm always looking for giveaways and stuff to support our community that supports us so much. Thank you, Southern Coin, for the great deal on that from Trade Day last weekend. Now my next package, that's a little bigger. This is from Gold Silver Traders out of Houston, Texas. Now these guys, I've been working with them for, I don't know, probably a little over a year now. Heck, probably longer than that, but they are really awesome. Whenever they send out their stuff, they always make sure it's got 2 packages and each one has a label on it. So if something happens to the outer label, you still get your stuff. Better than me, because I don't do that. Oh yeah, here we go. Gold and Silver Traders, thank yous. All their information. So we're going to put the side up here with the information on it. If y'all would like more information or information on how to contact Gold and Silver Traders out of Houston, Texas, make sure to drop me an email. I'll be glad to get that information for you. These guys have absolutely been rocking with me on my gold journey. This is my 3rd gold box because I am fixing to start filling it up. I'm about 3 grams away from that, or should I say 2 grams away from that. Grab my paperwork from over here. That is going to make us officially 53.5 grams. Awesome. What a journey this has been so far. Alright. We'll fix that up to go in the box here in a little bit. Let's look into the silver we got. Alright. Piece number 1 is that international trade bullion, 31.1 grams. The next one they have, wow, that's a really cool looking buffalo. It's got the MM on there. I'm assuming that's the Madison Mint. The detail on that thing is just gorgeous. Wow, how cool is that? Alright, what do we got next? We have Barbados 2021. Got the Trident. And then we have another HMS Bounty 2017 out of Niue. Oh, wow. Look at this. We got somebody that's scuba diving. Dolphins, boat, fish. Looks like a captain's wheel down here. Maybe sunk from a sunken ship. Got a coral reef maybe down there. That is not a coin. It doesn't appear to be. It's just a round, but what a cool round it is. Alright, look at this. 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver. Looks like some oxen pulling the wagon. And that is a version of a prospector round. Looks like he is working in the river there. Let's see. We got, oh, these are the Canadian bald eagles. I believe this is from the Birds of Prey series. That is going to be from 2014. Alright, we got the paperwork. That's for me, not for you. Alright, we got us a Krugerrand. That is going to be circa 2021. Put over there where it can be seen. We've got, oh wow, this is from the Silver Shield 2018. I don't know what it is. It's got like a 3 in the middle of it. What a fantastic piece of artwork. That is really nice. Of course, it's got the regular design for the Silver Shield on the back of it. That might be one of the better pieces he's sent in this package. Not that any of them are bad. That one's just really neat. I like it. Oh, wow. Super Pit Australia. That is 2019. Look at all that detailed canyon work in there. Makes you wonder what they're digging out there. Alright. Old head. We got Angolia. Looks like a lobster from 2019. It's It's got the wave style in the back for the water. Let's see what this says. Eastern Caribbean Central Bank. Oh, what is that last word? $2. This is a $2 coin. Very nice. Those 1983 Morgan style 1 ounce rounds, international trade units, or silver trade unit. Y'all know I like those. They're 40 years old and they're in really nice condition. Can't beat that. Got us some Milky Maple. This one's got plenty of milk, so bring your own bowl of cereal. That is a 2015. Alright, so that is the end of that package. We've still got, about 3 more minutes. Maybe we should pull out our gold bins so we can take a look and put the last piece up in there. Y'all know we went through all the gold last week. Now these things are only supposed to hold 25 pieces. I don't know if they leave a little room. Maybe they don't put the one at the front and the one at the back. I'm getting about 27 pieces in each one. Also, I am looking to trade this Australian kangaroo coin. It's a ½ gram. Looking to trade it for a regular Grammy that maybe isn't a coin, maybe is something more plain, like one of these. I'll be bringing that up at trade day here in just a little while. And of course, I've got that Geiger Gold. Might be looking to trade that off too, to keep with the regular sets. Go. Try to trim that off just a little. Then we're going to come over here, grab our little tape gun, and get that gold Grammy. Put that little bit of tape right there on the back. Put that on our little placeholder. Just a little something on the bottom of the flip so it don't flip open. And voila, just like that, we got our next piece set. Fantastic. We are 13 and a half minutes in. I want to say thank you once again to Mad Stacker for bringing me back in to hang out with y'all, and thank everybody else on the crew. We got Silver Bull 30, Mad Stacker, Gold Sniping Farmer, Pistol Packing Pilot, Ringmaster Ray, Mrs. Coin Crew. Everybody head on over to Gold Sniping Farmer, and if we don't catch you there, then you know that we will catch you on the flip side.